Om Sri Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Hi my dear friends and my dear students. Today I am going to explain you a concept which is related to trigonometry. One day, one student came to me and asked me a question that he is having a doubt that he is having a triangle ABC which is not a right triangle of sides 13 centimeters, 14 centimeters, 15 centimeters. And his doubt was that can we find out the values of trigonometric ratios for a non-right angle triangle like this. This is not a right triangle, it's a scalene triangle, acute scalene triangle. What he's asking is, can we find out cos B from this? His doubt was that one. Can we find out cos B from this triangle? I told him that yes, we can find out, but there is a rule called Cos Rule in trigonometry. By using that rule, we can find out the value of cos B, cos C, cos A, whatever you want, you can find out from this one. Then he asked me, kindly explain that one. Kindly derive what is a cos rule and how can we find out cos A, cos B, cos C by using that rule. Then I told him that let us consider, instead of taking the values here, we'll consider variables in the place of values over here. So BC of A units, AB of C units, and AC of B units. There is a triangle ABC which is a scalene acute triangle of sides ABC units. Now, consider a triangle like this ABC of sides A units, B units, C units, and we want to find out the value of cos B in this triangle. That means we need to express the value of cos B in terms of the sides A, B, C. How to do it? So for that one we need to draw a perpendicular from A to BC. AD is the perpendicular from A to BC. Now, see, this perpendicular divides the triangle ABC into two right triangles. One is ADB, the other one is ADC. Okay. Now, from this triangle ABD, what is cos B? We need to find out cos B, na? So consider triangle ABD and try to find out cos B. So what is that? Cos B is equal to side adjacent to angle B, which is BD by hypotenuse AB. BD by AB. So cos B is equal to BD, we don't know, its measurement we don't know, and AB, which is C. Then BD is equal to C times of cos B. BD is equal to C times of cos B. We'll write this relation over here. BD is equal to C times of cos B. Now, see here. Now consider triangle ACD. Consider triangle ACD. In that triangle, what is AC square? AC square is equal to AD square plus BC square. AD square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to AD square. AD square, it can be expressed as AB square minus BD square plus BC square can be expressed as BC minus BD whole square. Observe this one. AD square. AD square can be expressed as AB square minus BD square. The first part, this one. And second part, DC square, it can be expressed as BC square minus BD square. Now, AC square is equal to AB square minus BD square plus, this is in the form of A minus B whole square, so expand it, A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, now it minus BD square plus BD square get cancelled. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. AC square, which is nothing but B square. Now I am substituting the values. AB square, which is nothing but C square. BC square, which is nothing but A square minus 2BC means A. BD means this one we have to substitute. C times of cos B. Now try to bring this term, positive negative term to this side and this one to that side. So it becomes 2AC cos B equals to C square plus A square minus B square. Then cos B is equal to C square plus A square minus B square by 2AC. So in this way, if we know the three sides of the triangle, we can find out cos B by using C square plus A square minus B square by 2AC. So how can we find out cos A from this? Cos A. How can we find out that? So cos A we can find out B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. And cos C, how can we find out it? Cos C. A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. So we can find out these three what we call as cos rules. Cos B is C square plus A square minus B square by 2AC. Cos A, B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. And cos C, A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. By using these formulas, we can find out the value of cos A, cos B, cos C in a non-right angle triangle. So now you can substitute the values. What are the values given over here? We gave this is 13, 14, 15. That means we have to find out cos B na C square. C square is 13 square plus A square. A square is 15 square minus B square. B square is 14 square by 2AC. 2 into A into C, 13. So by simplification, we can find out the value of cos B. In the same way, we can find out cos A and cos C also. So in a right angle triangle, we can find out the values of trigonometric ratios in an easy manner. Not only that, we can find out the trigonometric ratios in non-right angle triangles also by using certain rules. Cos rule in this way. There is another one called sine rule. If we know cos value and sine value, we can find out easily tan and cot also. So my dear children, if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel. Dhanyavad.